Hello friends, I am Mr. Sudhir Mathapati, the Assistant Professor from Mechanical Engineering Department from JHRIT Pune. Today we are going to, after this boundary condition, then we go for the sum, the FEA applications. This FEA can be used to analyze both the structural and the non-structural problem. Where the structural problem contains the stress analysis in frames and the trusses, and this non-structural element, non-structural problem can be used to solve the heat transfer and the fluid flow equations or fluid flow problems. And it also can be used in some biomedical applications where to analyze the muscle, hip joint, or eye, etc. Here we heard that FEA, but we are talking about the FEA. Is there any difference between FEM and FEA? No. There is no such a difference between the FEA and FEM. Where the FEA stands for the finite element analysis and FEM stands for finite element modeling. Both are same. The only change is that this FEM can be used for the academic purpose and FEA can be used for industrial purpose. Okay, so there is no such a difference between FEM and FEA. Okay. Next thing is the advantages of this FEM. The irregular shape of body can be modified very easily. This is the first advantage. Second one is the element size can be varied. Third one is unlimited kinds of boundary condition can be handled. And fourth one is the FEM can be altered very easily. And the last one is that the mathematics of the FEM is simple and it is easy to use. Okay, if there is an advantage, then there is also some disadvantage there. So we looked at some disadvantages regarding to the FEM. The first thing is that to solve any FEM model, the configuration of the computer should be very high. And if the configuration of the computer should be very high, then the cost of the analysis also very high. Okay. Suppose if we are selecting some errors or we selected some the assumptions made wrongly, then we can get an inaccurate results. Okay. That way, if the error in selection of the element which leads to the inaccurate result, then the skilled and experienced designers are required. And finally, the FEA solutions are approximate acceptable solution. The only thing that this FEA solution, they cannot get an exact solution. It gives only the approximate acceptable solution. Okay. And here, what is matrix? In this FEA, we can use the sum matrix for one. Before going to that solution, we first know that what is matrix. Here, what is the size of matrix? Here, the size of matrix given is 3 into 4. What is mean by this 3 into 4? Why it is represented like this? Okay, let's read now. Okay, m into 3 into 4 means this 3 represents the number of rows. This number of rows, there are 3 mentioned that there are 3 rows are there. This is the first row, this is second row, this is the third row, and the next is 4. This 4 represents the column number. This is first column, second column, third column, and the fourth column. Look here. Okay, this M12, M12 means the location of this M is at 1, 2. Where this 1 stand for the row number at row number 1 at 2 represent the column number. Means this M12 is located at the row number 1 with the column number 2. Means M12. There are some special characters can be used. There can be used as zero matrix. Zero matrix where a matrix of all of the entries must be zero. That is known as a zero matrix. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Please share with your friend and also support us. Thank you very much.